This is the manager of target. It acts as a nucleus. It contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. This material is organized as DNA molecules and a variety of proteins to form chromosomes. Just like a manager, the nucleus manages the cell and its function. This is the assembly line. It acts as a nucleolus. It takes about 25% of the volume of the nucleus. Its role is to connect ribosomal RNA or rRNA and combine it with proteins. It's a round body that sits in the nucleus.
The role of the mitochondria is to provide energy and to regulate cellular metabolism. Without the mitochondria, the cell wouldn't be able to perform certain functions. Oh, F that.
These bars act as the plasma cell membrane because it protects the cell from its surrounding. It is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. This picture printer or copier acts as the centriole. It helps the cell divide by organizing and copying chromosomes. They move to the poles of the nucleus when it's time for cell division. This pole is holding up target. Therefore, it acts like the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton forms the framework for the movement of organelles around the cytoplasm. It is the key for cell shape. The microtubules, they are like conveyor belts in the cell, moving vessels and granules and chromosomes around the cell. The microfilaments, they work with microtubules to form the structure that allows the cell to hold its shape, and the intermediate filaments are a very broad class of proteins that play a role in structural and functional elements.
This bagging system acts as the Golgi apparatus of target. It modifies, stores, and packages proteins for secretion. It transports lipids around the cell and creates lysosomes.
Wait, hang on. So should I just be like the refrigerator? These refrigerators act as the vacuoles. They might store food or any other nutrients. They mainly store waste so the rest of the cell is protected from contamination. Eventually, the vacuole sends the waste out of the cell. The lysosomes, its key role is to be a role in the digestion and waste removal, like cleaning supplies. They contain digestive enzymes to break down materials like cleaning supplies do. The chloroplast is found in plants and its main role is to conduct photosynthesis. It captures energy from sunlight and converts it and stores it.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Just let me redo that, okay? Don't worry. I'm right.
The rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum acts to transport materials in the cell. The smooth ER regulates and releases calcium ions and processes toxins, while smooth ER stores steroids and ions. While the rough ER has ribosomes for protein synthesis, that's what sets it apart from the smooth ER.